friends, Heather here, and today I have something really fun for us to chat about. I'm with my serger, and while you may not think that having a serger in a quilting studio is something that you need, I promise you, if you have it, you will use it. I use my little serger for everything from alterations, please don't tell anyone, to t-shirt quilts, and then just clean finishing the inside of bags and all that kind of stuff. So this little machine is worth its weight in gold. But as I mentioned, we're going to chat about this new book from my friend Sue from Suki Sews. It is a handy pocket guide all about sergers, and it is jam-packed with information. I mean, really jam-packed. The writing's a little small, but I'm sure that that's just because she wanted to put all of the information inside and not leave anything out. Included in the book is everything from unboxing to specialty feet, even thread and tensions. But my personal favorite is the quick reminder and visual aid on which thread to trim when you make a mistake. Because let's face it, we all do. I don't care how long you've been sewing, we all make mistakes and have to rip out a seam every now and again. And when you're stitching so many threads together in one shot, sometimes it gets a little confusing. But luckily, Sue walks you through the whole thing right away. Another fun thing is that we are giving away 12 copies of this little pocket size golden nugget. So be sure to enter using the link below, and you might be one of 12 lucky winners who gets to add this book to their collection.